There are two types of articles in Italian. Definite articles.
Articoli determinativi.
The.
Il, lo, la, l, i, gli, le.
Indefinite articles.
Articoli indeterminativi.
An.
Un, uno, una, un.
Definite articles tell you the specific item. Number 1. Masculine singular.
Il.
Used for words starting with consonants.
Il libro.
The book.
Lo.
Used for words starting with S plus consonant or Z.
Lo studente.
The student.
L.
Used for words starting with a vowel.
L'amico.
The friend. Number 2. Masculine plural.
I.
Used for words starting with consonants.
I libri.
The books.
Gli.
Used for words starting with vowels, S plus consonant or Z.
Gli studenti.
The students. Number 3. Feminine singular.
La.
Used for words starting with consonants.
La casa.
The house.
L.
Used for words starting with a vowel.
L'amica.
The friend. Number 4. Feminine plural.
Le.
Used for all feminine plural nouns.
Le case.
The houses. Indefinite articles tell you about general items. Number 1. Masculine singular.
Un.
Used for words starting with consonants or vowels.
Un libro.
A book.
Uno.
Used for words starting with S plus consonant or Z.
Uno studente.
A student. Number 2. Feminine singular.
Una.
Used for words starting with consonants.
Una casa.
A house.
Un.
Used for words starting with a vowel.
Un'amica.
A friend. Note: Italian does not have indefinite articles for plural nouns.